Introduced in 1944, the Yakovlev Yak-3 is often regarded as the ultimate Soviet fighter aircraft of the Second World War. Based on the older Yak design, which featured relatively heavy wooden wings, the Yak-3 had lighter wings of metal construction and a more powerful engine. Combined, these features added over 100 kilometers an hour to the top speed of the design. Being lighter and smaller than the earlier Yak-9, but powered by the same engine, the Yak-3 was a very agile fighter, and it proved itself to be superior to all the German Luftwaffe fighters at altitudes below 5,000 meters. One problem the type did have was that under high G stresses, the glued plywood covering on top of the wings could at times peel off. Like the earlier Yakovlev designs, the aircraft was armed with a 20mm cannon firing through the prop spinner and two 7.6mm machine guns in the nose. Additionally, the Yak-3 had an extra 20mm cannon in each wing, giving the aircraft a serious punch. One of the last variants of the design that was produced in 1945 was the Yak-3U Ti. This was a two-seat conversion to be used for training purposes. This eventually became the prototype for the radial-engined Yak-11, which was the Soviet Air Force's most widely used trainer aircraft for many years. The similarities between the Yak-11 trainer and the Yak-3 are such that in recent years, a number of Yak-11s have been converted back to Yak-3 status, and this particular aircraft is one of those conversions. In the 1990s, a number of new Yak-3s were built in the original Russian factory, using original plans and techniques. This added extra aircraft to the initial 4,800 that were built during the Second World War.